Hey everyone, today we have branded and barreled banana and chocolate from Belching Beaver Brewery. This is a bourbon barrel-aged imperial stout with banana, chocolate, and peanut butter, 13.8%. Cheers. One of my favorite fruits is banana. I love banana in smoothies, I love banana with ice cream, I love banana in beer. And this is like just chocolate covered banana goodness. It's so good. Like it tastes, it's really sweet. That's the one thing that maybe it's a little too sweet, but you really still get that kind of banana, the real banana taste. And then a little spoon of peanut butter at the end, and then you kind of taste the booziness right after. Really good job, Belching Beaver. Holy moly. Thanks, Belching Beaver Brewery.